The new Phonak Quest platform offers a full range of both BT and custom products. The Bolero Q is nano-coated with the latest in plasma coating technology, and the new color palette gives you a wide range of choices for many different hair and skin tones. Also new to the Quest platform is Auto Stereo Zoom. What Auto Stereo Zoom does is it really uses that binaural voice stream technology to really narrow the beam, really focus in. And what that will do for you is we've seen in our testing up to a 3 dB improvement in signal-to-noise ratio, which really translates to, for speech intelligibility, an improvement up to 45%. Depending on what you need on a daily basis, what kind of listening situations are you in? For people that are very active, that are maybe going to a lot of restaurants or they have a card club, you want to take the premium level product. Speech and wind is awesome, right? It's a technology that looks at the wind noise binaurally in both ears. And once it senses that there's an imbalance when the wind noise is much stronger from one ear versus the other, and the speech signal is greater in the opposite ear, then what it will do is it'll shut down those microphones, right? Attenuate the mics, put on wind block on that side, so it gets rid of some of that wind noise. And then what you see is the speech signal from that, where the speech signal is better, it takes that good signal, streams it across to the other side, and you then hear binaurally, giving you a much better speech intelligibility. Depending on your lifestyle, you may have someone who's more at home, but they still use the phone a lot. There's a feature called Duo Phone, which now is in our standard level products. So maybe you're not always going out in restaurants, but you could still use binaural voice stream technology to get that streaming. When you use that phone, put it up in this ear, and you'll hear it in both ears. And it's just great how that really impacts people and allows them to hear so much better when they're talking to a loved one or a friend over the phone. Remote mic is really going to help you in a lot of listening situations where you're going to have trouble because of background noise or distance from the speaker. You know, where someone, you need to be talking to someone, they might be a little more than 6 feet away. So really, the operating distance we recommend with remote mic, somewhere between 6 and 60 feet. 60 feet is by far the best in the industry as far as a remote mic works, right? So it's got a great omnidirectional microphone, picks up all the sound. It's got its own little volume control on the side, so if you need to make some adjustments, if the person talking to you needs to increase their, the signal-to-noise ratio, boost their voice a little bit, they can just push that little button on it, and you'll get a little more of that speech signal coming from them, even if they're way across the room. You can charge the remote mic easily along with the Compilot, lock it into the same charger, charge it for about an hour. It will last 8 hours at a time, so you have a good lifetime and usage time with the Phonak remote mic. It's small, easy to use, and a great new addition that works with all the Phonak products that have wireless connectivity. The VertoQ is the custom product line now on Quest. What VertoQ does is it allows those custom products now to, once again, give you the full range of fitting for different lifestyles. You have people who are really, really interested in having good cosmetics. We have CICs, and now the Nano product, the VertoQ Nano, really tiny, fits deep into the canal, and allows you to hear better in all listening situations, and comes with a cool little mini control. If you need to change the volume of the program, hold it up to the ear, and with that mini control, you can change the programming on your Nano. That's a new feature for the Quest line. But with the VertoQ, all the custom products, you can even go through the different range, canal, all the way up to full shell, and different power levels. And also the 3 technology levels that Quest has. So VertoQ fits all kinds of different listening situations, and a lot of those great same features that we see in Bolero, you see also in the Verto. So now with Phonak Quest, with Bolero Q, VertoQ, and the remote microphone, it really helps us to enable hearing healthcare professionals to really meet the needs of those with a hearing loss like never before.